Hi. Who are you? I'll find out. You're fine. If you're just chilling with me, we can turn this into a 3-minute short. Say hi to the camera. I think you're a giant mayfly. August fly? Look at that. You're so scary. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have 2 of them. My nipples. Google Lens tells me this is a giant mayfly. I have not looked it up. We're going live, but if it is a giant mayfly, I don't believe they live long, so I'll take it for a little walk. See it from those ducks I hear quacking back there. Say hello to the world, giant mayfly. Do you say we? What's the bug version of we? Hanging on for dear life in the wind. Oh, sorry. What do you see? What are you sniffing on? Huh? What you sniffing on? Everything. Oh, I guess this is your PSA. Look at how scary this thing is, and you just saw. Look at that. Not everything wants to sting you. Not everything wants to bite you. Look before you swat, maybe. That's the lesson here.